Satanic pilots really working overtime today. Really poisoning the country. Look what the Canadian politicians are doing. They're letting the global Satanists destroy Canada. Canadian politicians are Satanists too. Radiation's going hard today too. Yeah, I can't imagine this. People in the world too stupid to look up and see that our government's killing us, depopulating Canada. That's a choice. Remain stupid or acknowledge reality. Still coming out of it. Run out. What a bunch of sickos. See, they're massive aircraft. Big freighters. Loaded with chemicals. I think that one just let out its load. Massive aircraft. Changing tanks once again. Send the route as the last Satanist. Yeah, changing tanks. Changing tanks, the bastards. There goes Satan's Airlines. All pilots are Satanists for killing God's green earth. That's nothing short of geoengineering or biocide. Friday the 13th. A good day to poison the earth. Thank you, Satanists. You can see here the chemicals that come out of the airplane that just flew over airplanes. It's spread. It'll make a thick Doppler blanket by radiation emitted from Doppler radar satellites. Anything, cell phone towers, anything with a Wi-Fi signal. See how grey the sky is. It used to be blue. You see, this is World War III. Long-term, fifth generation war. But you not only don't notice it, you support it by watching the news, voting in the fake elections, eating fake food. And come twilight, we'll be able to see what kind of chemicals they are by what color they are. Friday the 13th, toxic chemtrail status. It's spreading out, expanding rapidly. Look at the radiation. The chemicals are going crazy. Probably the most common, polonium and strontium. Usually titanium is higher up. There you go. Progress report. It will make a big thick Doppler blanket. And the devils can block out God's green earth. I can hear the planes, but I don't see them spraying. Heavy spray day today. Celebrating Friday the 13th. This is it's more that haze, dry haze. But I think it's a Doppler blanket close to the ground. Can you imagine people breathing this stuff? Even more amazing, people don't know World War III is going on. Satanists versus humanity. Of course, the Satanists have got the advantage. If no one don't know it, they just don't get it. Can't see it. Doppler blanket sunset. September 13th, Friday. Another extremely creepy sunset. This mist is only low mist. There's no natural cloud. This is all airplane clouds. Low level airplane exhaust. All I can tell you, I don't know why normal people can't see it. Because I suppose if they did, they'd know, we got a major war ahead of us to defeat the Satanist that controls all of our government, media, everything. But not the hearts of the free people. Free and kind. But they got the rest of bastards. Another creepy sunset. Friday the 13th. Looks like more of a Halloween moon than a September sunset. can see the sunspots. Like a cloud on the sun. It's not showing up here. Never seen the sun so good. You actually see the sunspots. Chemicals that come out of the airplane. Like made a perfect filter to see the face of the sun. Oh, it's just not showing